Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects many of us. Facial pigmentation. Whether it's those pesky sunspots from soaking up a few too many rays, those lingering marks from a breakout, or just general unevenness, we all want that bright, even skin tone. Now I know what you're thinking. Dealing with skin issues can be a drag, and sometimes those over-the-counter creams and serums feel like they're doing more harm than good. But don't worry, I've got your back. We're going to explore some amazing natural remedies that can help you achieve that flawless complexion you've always wanted. We're talking simple, easy-to-find ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. So, ditch the harsh chemicals and expensive treatments, and let's unlock the power of nature together. Before we jump into our DIY skincare routine, let's understand what causes facial pigmentation. Knowing your enemy is half the battle, right? Our skin gets its color from melanin. Excess melanin causes darker patches. The sun is a major culprit. UV rays trigger melanin, causing sunspots. Protecting your skin is crucial. Hormonal changes can also cause pigmentation. Pregnancy and medications can lead to melasma. Aging affects our skin too. Years of sun exposure and hormonal changes lead to age spots. First up on our list of natural remedies is a classic lemon juice and honey. This dynamic duo has been a skincare staple for centuries. Lemons are packed with citric acid, a natural bleaching agent. Honey is a natural humectant, attracting and retaining moisture. It also has antibacterial properties to fight acne. Mix equal parts lemon juice and honey, apply to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Follow up with moisturizer and sunscreen. Next up is a plant that's practically synonymous with soothing skin: aloe vera. You've probably seen aloe vera gel used to treat sunburns, but did you know it's also amazing for tackling pigmentation? Aloe vera contains aloe, a natural depigmenting compound that can help lighten dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It also has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can calm irritated skin and reduce redness. And the best part? Using aloe vera is as simple as it gets. Just scoop out some fresh aloe vera gel from a plant or use a good quality store-bought gel and apply it directly to your cleansed face. Gently massage it into your skin and leave it on overnight. Rinse it off with lukewarm water in the morning and marvel at your refreshed and revitalized skin. For best results, repeat this every night. You'll be amazed by how quickly aloe vera can transform your complexion. Let's talk about turmeric, the golden child of the spice world, and a powerhouse when it comes to skincare. Turmeric gets its vibrant color from a compound called curcumin, which is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Curcumin has been shown to inhibit melanin production, making it a fantastic natural remedy for reducing pigmentation and evening out skin tone. And when it comes to skincare, turmeric's partner in crime is milk. Milk contains lactic acid, a gentle exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. This can help fade hyperpigmentation and reveal brighter, more even-toned skin. To make this glow-boosting paste, mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with enough milk to form a smooth paste. Apply it to your cleansed face, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Use this paste 2 to 3 times a week, and watch your skin transform. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this last one might just surprise you. We're talking about the humble potato. Yes, you heard that right. This pantry staple isn't just for fries. It can work wonders for your skin too. Potatoes contain an enzyme called catecholase, which has natural bleaching properties. Catecholase works by inhibiting the production of tyrosinase, an enzyme involved in melanin synthesis. The best part is, using potatoes for skincare is as easy as it gets. Simply wash and peel a potato, then cut it into thin slices. Place the slices directly on your cleansed face, focusing on areas with pigmentation. Leave the potato slices on for about 15 to 20 minutes, then discard them and rinse your face with lukewarm water. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll be amazed by how effective this simple remedy can be. And there you have it. Some simple, natural remedies to help you tackle facial pigmentation. Remember, achieving healthy, radiant skin takes time and consistency. Be patient with yourself and with these remedies, and you'll start seeing results. Don't forget that everyone's skin is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. It's all about finding what works best for you. And most importantly, remember that true beauty comes from within. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.